Hello YouTube, it's Ninja Chicken here. This is my second channel. What happens is I deleted my other channel because it got hacked. I was getting a bit bored of YouTube, so I decided to ask one of my mates if he would be happy to help me with my YouTube. So I told him the details and all that, and he told his mate, and it escalated until I found out some of my videos were getting deleted, and my Twitter and all that was getting tampered with and all that. So I decided just to delete the Twitter and the YouTube and start over again. But happily Triton have agreed to sponsor me again. And yeah, my other channel had 65k subscribers, but I don't think I'm gonna get anywhere near that. But I would be so happy if I could get this. I could get it to over 10k in about 3 months. I would be over the moon. So yeah, guys, my channel, I'll be doing GTA 5 like tips, tutorials, and funtages with my other mates, and I will be doing some COD Ghost trick shot montages, sniper montages, and tips and tutorials and all that. Yeah, so I'm doing a new series which I did on my last channel. It was like you would game of the week. You would comment on one of the videos what game or what to do, and I play the game for about a day and review the game, so you don't have to, and I say, oh, is this game good, the good things and the bad things about this game, and would I recommend it to the public. So yeah, even if you weren't subscribed to my other channel, please feel free to subscribe to this channel, as there'll be daily content of COD Ghosts and GTA 5 videos. So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching, and peace out.